Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set alarm on an iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the clock app. Click on the plus button at the top right. Now go ahead and set your alarm. Click on repeat alarm. If you want to repeat the alarm, go ahead and set when you want to repeat the alarm. And if you don't want to repeat the alarm, uncheck. Hit the bar button. Click on label to give your alarm a name. And after that, click on sound to give your alarm a sound. Then hit the bar button. If you want to snooze the alarm each time it rings, turn on snooze to pop snooze button when your alarm rings. Then once you are done, click on save. And that's it. You should see your alarm set like this on your iPhone. So that's exactly how to set an alarm on an iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.